The focus of margins is to work with lesser known vineyards, regions, and varietals that are on the margins. When I first started, it was after being inspired by working with Chenin Blanc in the Loire Valley in France. And I'm sure that I had Chenin Blanc since I, went to school for wine, but it wasn't on my radar. I go to France and we made like 14 different Chenin Blancs. And I was like, what is this grape and wine? It's so good. People need to know about it. I want to highlight these lesser known marginal varietals. In the years since then, a lot of these grapes have entered the cultural consciousness again for quality, versus in like the late 80s, early 90s, Chenin Blanc was associated with like bulk wine, not good wine, and now it has like a whole new kind of lease on life. Our ethos is very much centered around sourcing organic grapes. We only work with organically farmed vineyards. That wasn't always the case. When I was first getting started, a lot of the vineyards I wanted to work with weren't being farmed organically. So I helped those growers convert their vineyards to organics. In some of these cases, these vineyards are now really important sources for small, high-quality wine producers all over California. Since they switched to organic farming, clients have kind of flocked to the vineyards as a source, so it's been really good for the vineyards as well.